There are several common mistakes to avoid when growing bougainvillea from raw trunks. Even if it has sprouted and rooted, if you're not careful, your bougainvillea can still fail, even though it's usually very resilient. The first mistake is fertilizing too early when you see new shoots and roots. It's exciting, but don't rush to fertilize. The new roots are very tender. Just water them for at least the first month after rooting. Avoid adding fertilizer. Applying it too soon can cause the young roots to shrivel and weaken. The second mistake is exposing the plant to sunlight too quickly. In spring, the sun can be intense, even though bougainvillea loves full sun. If tender new shoots are exposed before the roots are strong, the plant can't handle it and may suffer damage. Wait until the leaves are fully developed and the plant has gained some strength before letting it see direct sunlight. The third mistake is rushing it to bloom. Many people buy raw bougainvillea trunks and want them to flower immediately in the first year, or at least the first 6 months. Your focus should be on building a strong, healthy plant. Strengthen the roots by watering alternately, wet and dry, so the roots become robust. If you push the plant to bloom before it's ready, without strong roots, you can seriously harm its overall health. If you follow these 3 points carefully, your bougainvillea will grow stronger, healthier, and more beautiful over time. Some friends have doubted me, saying, how could there be over 100 pots on such a small balcony? Let me show you how many pots fit in just 1 square meter. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 pots. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are the larger pots. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Right. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. And I haven't even counted the pots below. There are many more underneath. Look over here, behind me. You can see there are over 100 pots, right?